So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Suman, and let's talk about this arcade event. And these are the prizes that are revealed recently. And at least we need 5 points to claim any of these badges. So hope you guys have at least 5 points. Let me show you my points. Okay, so see, there are I think 6 skill badges now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 skill badge. That means we have 2 points. Okay, nice. And 3 game batches. This one, the arcade level 1 of May, and arcade level 2 and level 1 of April. So altogether I have 5 points. So at least I'm eligible for this standard 1 prize. So I will claim any of the something like this mug or anything. I will claim it, or this clever pen. Okay, so the okay, now let's talk about this level 1. So I have completed this level 1 recently and got this patch. Okay, this is from data and ML API. So you guys can also start completing this level 1. And we have still some 12 to 14 days, I think. Yeah, still we have 12 days and lots of spot are still remaining. So you guys can start completing. Here is the access code. And if you want me to start making the solution video for this challenge level 1, it's pretty simple. Just see, just complete it in 21 minute. So if you want me to make a video for this challenge 1, so just comment down. I'll make the video. It will be very quick. And okay, now let me make you understand how do you claim these skill batches. So you can claim these skill batches without doing any of the lab, just after completing any of the game batch. So suppose if you complete this level 1 game batch, then just scroll down and see, after your challenge lab there is a link to claim the skill batches. So just claim it and you get this skill batches in your profile. And the three skill batch, that means 1 point. So in the same way, just claim as much as you can claim, and the more you claim, the more you get the points. Okay, so if you want me to make video for this level 1 challenge labs, there are 2 challenge lab now. So just comment down. I will make the video for this challenge 1. See, there is also skill batch. So at least 4 skill batch you can claim from completing level 1. And maybe you have to complete some uh, 1 2 more lab inside this skill batch. See, already it's showing that these 2 3 labs are already completed. I've just complete 1 2 3 4, then I'll get this batch too. So that's depends on me. If I want more points, more goodies, then I will complete it. Otherwise it's okay. I'm just want something from this section, then I'll stop it. This totally depends upon you. So the point is that if you want guys me to make video for this challenge lab inside this level 1, so just comment down. Otherwise I'll make the video for this level 2 in the next upcoming video, including all the games inside this one. And then we'll start this trivia. Okay, so that's it about the game. See, I've understood it. And in the lab inside is level 1, I mean level 2. So there is also some skill batches. No, there is skill batch, here is skill batch. So if I able to get 5 more skill batch, then I can claim 2 goodies from this section. Okay, or any premium goodies from single from this section. So let's see how much skill batch I can complete now, how much point I can collect. So okay guys, so this much about this video. And if you have any query, just comment down. I will try to solve it. I was a little bit busy, so I didn't make any video regarding any of the challenge lab earlier. So just leave a comment and query if you want me to make a video for the separate one. So that's it guys. See you in the next video, next lab. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.